Hi guys, Bleach here. It's that time of year again where your stuff you can't fix sits outside in the snow. Early getting a downpour, guys, or a blizzard. Remember, guys, I said it was going to start Sunday? Oh yeah, it's starting now. The neighbor wants me to bring him over his computer in this, and I don't know. I should be able to, guys. Look at this. This is Chinook and terrible all over. Oh god, guys, it's so cold. But yeah, it's covered in snow. Freaking freezing out here. Man. Well, I just want to say I think the Doyce Alice 613 is hydrolocked. I am not going in the garage tonight in this. Plus I'm going to put a tube in the tire. So, oh my god, it just takes your breath away. Oh, it looks good like that, the MTD down there. Let's get a look and see how deep the snow is, guys. Man. I have to shovel tomorrow. Really wish I got my plow on something. It's pretty deep, guys. Let's look at it. Foot's like right in there. Man. Just look at the poor MTD just covered in frickin' snow, and you got a nice thing of oil in the snow. Looks really good. Oh yeah. Oh guys, this is nice. Let's look at the trees. Oh, I can't really see that, guys, but oh yeah, but look how deep my footsteps are, guys. It's really coming down. First snowfall of the year, guys. Oh yeah. I'm gonna let you guys go. Please comment and subscribe. See ya. Peace.